If you have been looking around lately, you might have noticed a growing urbanization activity, which is more evident in coastal areas. But what is the actual impact of these situations? Well, the input of new anthropogenic substrates might change the dynamic of the benthic communities. This growing urbanization is the case of Cherno Island, where the Sven Loven Center for Marine Sciences is founded. In the last years, the area has experienced an increase in tourism, and the SOS, Study of Substrate team, seized the opportunity to develop a small study to understand the extent of these hypothetical impacts. We studied 3 different substrates consisting of natural substrates or artificial substrates. The latter ones were either plastic or concrete structures built by men and women. We sampled 3 different locations, and in each one, 4 samples per substrate type.
Hi! We are Team SOS, Study of Substrate. We are now taking samples.
First, we place the quadrot randomly on the ponton and we count in how many squares each species appear in order to assess the percentage coverage. Then the quadrot is removed and the inside of the frame is scraped off into labeled containers that are brought to the lab. Finally, pictures are taken for building 3D models of our substrate. Back from the field, all samples are analyzed under binoculars and microscopes to identify an unknown species. To collect the data is gathered with the visual sensors and transformed into percentages to perform the statistical analysis. From the 3D models, we could see that the plastic and concrete surfaces had a lower average rugosity than the natural substrates, and in each location varying diversities were found. To know if plastic rocks and concrete actually host different species, further research is needed. But who wouldn't want to do research here?
In total, we found 54 species. Even on artificial substrates, there was a lot of diversity. This is actually contrary to what we expected. We are hitting an oyster.